Hindi na bago ang balitang isa ang mga Filipino sa pinakamalaking ethnic group sa United Arab Emirates. Ikatlo sila sa dami, sunod sa mga Indian na nangunguna at mga Pakistano na pumapangalawa. Kaya naman hindi katakataka na targetin ng food and product retailers mula Pilipinas na mapasok ang UAE para sa darating pang mga buwan o taon.
It looks like the Filipino products here have gone into the mainstream. The mainstream retailers are looking at Filipinos to be a major consumer group to support, right? They are now looking for every Philippine brand and product they can get their hands on so that they can serve the Filipino community here.
Alam niyang napakagandang balita ito para sa mga Filipino dahil kasama na sila sa mahalagang parte ng community sa bansa para tutukang masilbihan.
I think a lot of the Filipinos here have stayed quite a long time and they absolutely welcome this development. So that's the first and biggest learnings and developments that I've seen here in the Middle East, especially here in Dubai.
At hindi naman siya nagkamali dahil talagang natuwa sa magandang balita na ito ang kababayan sa Emirates.
Wow, that's good news. It's wonderful to know that a lot of Tatak Pinoy products will be UAE. Because, we really miss Pinoy foods, especially, mga lutong bahay.
Dagdag din dyan, ang hakbang na ito ay kanilang haharapin sa darating na mga buwan.
After more than 120 years in the Philippines, La Filipina is looking outside of the Philippines to follow the Philippine diaspora, to offer our products to our Filipino counterparts, to bring the Filipino taste and also the Filipino food to where they are.
Ilan sa in-demand na produktong Pinoy sa UAE ay bigas, canned goods, tuyo, snacks, noodles, pansahog o condiments tulad ng ketchup, seasonings, suka at oyster sauce. Brisk selling din ang mga kakanin, pasalubong, biscuits at tinapay, ganun din ang mga sandwich spread o healthcare at beauty products. Aniya, uunahin muna nila ang gitnang silangan sa proyektong ito at maaring isunod ang US at Europe dahil sa distansya nito sa Middle East region.
We're just starting, that's why we're here in Middle East as being one of the biggest Filipino diaspora places. And hopefully, our Filipinos here would welcome our products and our Filipino taste products.
Para sa The Filipino Correspondent Network, Raquel Salinel, TFCN Dubai, UAE. Your news, your story, your network.